Hello everyone, I am Aarti Amarkar. Today we discuss the TCS online test details. So friends, in that I am discussing the syllabus and pattern of the exam, also study material resources and helpful tips. So friends, now the TCS online test consists of 6 sessions and there are 92 questions and 180 minutes we already given, and quant, verbal and reasoning are come into the one section, and programming logic consists of MCQ, 10 MCQ, and head-on coding question 1 and hands-on coding question 2. This programming logic and hands-on coding question 1 and coding question 2 are comes into the session 2. So friends, now there is this is our TCS placement paper online test, and in that round 1 means section 1 we discuss, and in that section 1 we already discussed that in our section 1 we already discussed that there is a quant, English, reasoning ability, and talking about the quant, in the quant there are 26 questions and 40 minutes. So about 1 minute 20 seconds we about 1 minute 20 seconds are available for one question in talking about our quant section. So similarly for English there are 24 questions and 30 minutes. So about 40 seconds are available to solve the English one question. So talking about the reasoning ability, there are 30 questions and 50 minutes. So 1 minute and 30 or 40 seconds are available for this particular question. So friends, the time is very much important in the TCS. So talking about the section 2, in section 2 there is a programming logic. Programming logic consists of 10 questions and 15 minutes. This 10 all this MCQ pattern. This so this 1, 2 and 3 and 4. These 4 are MCQ pattern. But talking about the coding ability, in the coding ability there is no MCQ pattern. We want to type our code in a various languages. We discuss in later on in this video, so don't worry. So talking about our quant means numerical ability section of our TCS exam. So in that session there is a numerical ability syllabus I have given to you. So you please go through this syllabus. Talking about the verbal ability, this is a verbal ability syllabus. So please you go through this syllabus, or you can go to any website. I am also giving you the resource material, so don't worry. So this is a reasoning ability syllabus, and then you have, if you are third year candidate, then you go each and every topic. Because you have a time. Or if you are a final year candidate, then also you have a time, then also you can go through this. Because when you go through each and every topic in this syllabus, then you are easily handle each and every question in the TCS exam. So now talking about the study material resources. So friends, for section 1 consists of verbal, quant and reasoning. So this I have given you the best websites. So Prepinsta is a TCS best website. So please go through this website. Similarly, if you want a study material, then go on the YouTube channel. If you want to learn that topic, then go to the YouTube channel and learn from the campus mock YouTube channel. This is the best for the TCS. Also, if you have other YouTube channel, then go through that or go through this. So friends, talking about the coding, so coding for the coding also there is a Webinsta website is a very best because there are so many practice questions are available in that website. Also, there is a coding previous year coding coaches are also available. So please go through this website. And talking about the YouTube channel for the coding, then our Code with Harry is a very important channel for the TCS because in that channel there are so many coding languages that sir teach to us. So don't worry. Now please you go through this and learn the languages if you are non-IT candidate. So talking about the important tips. So this TCS is a non-adaptive test. Means we cannot able to go into the previous question and new question automatically. We are shift automatically into the next question. So we cannot shift ourselves in previous or new question. So this is a non-adaptive test. So, talking about negative marking, there is no negative marking. So you can, if you have not a time, then always click on particular option. Because of that, also you can able to improve your marks. Also talking about the time management, we have see that there is a time is very much important because only 40 seconds for the verbal ability, numerical ability 1 minute 20 seconds, about 1 minute 20 seconds, and verbal ability. So similarly, time is very much important. And talking about the numerical ability, the questions are very tough. It's not able to solve into the 1 minute 20 seconds. So friends, for that you want to practice with your time counter. Then only you can able to score good. And talking about the other section, so other sections are very much easy. So don't worry, do practice. But practice makes man perfect in exam also. So please practice very well. Now, talking about handwritten coding, the handwritten coding is require practice on different coding questions. So you can refer Code with Harry channel of YouTube. Similarly, you can refer a particular platform for the coding, such as. So now, thank you. So if you like my video, so like, share and subscribe. Thank you.